All right, John, so here's your license back, okay? You got a citation for the possession of drug paraphernalia and also possession of marijuana in a motor vehicle, all right?
What's an over possession charge amount? Weight-wise?
I think it's 1.5 grams.
You can't have more than 1.5 grams on you, sir?
In your vehicle. It's illegal to buy drugs, which would be marijuana as considered by the state right now.
Okay.
That's illegal in the state of Minnesota. So the safest way for you to illegally buy drugs would be not to buy them. So you're also getting cited with possession of marijuana in a motor vehicle. Like I explained, you have 30 days to take care of this citation or schedule a court date, okay?
You said I would lose my license over this?
Your license could get revoked. It's up to
Could?
the state. Yeah, it's up to
You
the
said
state.
I would. That's why I freaked out.
Well, it probably will, because that's what having drugs in a motor vehicle, they typically revoke your license for it. So
I've been caught with weed over a dozen times. I've never seen this in my entire life. Be threatened that man.
Well, I'm telling you, that's what I know from previous experience.
Okay, I'm not worried about it because I can fight this in court.
Yep, go ahead.
And I will.
Like I said, schedule your court date within 30 days. Take care. Have a nice night, okay?
Thank you.